Experience driving perfection in the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Top features include front fog lights, leather upholstery, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, an outside temperature display, a power rear cargo door, and a split folding rear seat. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.